Hey guys, Vic from Airvol here, your trusted Canadian CPAP supplier, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to disassemble and assemble your F20 mask. Over here with me I have an AirTouch F20 with a memory foam, but it would be exactly the same if you had the AirFit F20 silicone version, as well as the AirFit F20 for her or the AirTouch F20 for her. Okay, they all use basically shared components. The color and their look might differ a little bit. So in general, you have your headgear that includes the Velcro straps and the magnetic clips. Okay, and so you have either the magnetic version and then there's also the non-magnetic version, but either way they anchor onto the bottom sides over here and you just literally would be able to remove them. Okay, if you have the non-magnetic clips, there's just a button in the middle that you press and then the clip ejects. Okay, and then the top part of the headgear is identical on both versions. It's just looped around with Velcro that you can just open up on the top. And now you've removed your headgear, okay? Now the cushion also separates from the mask from the frame. Easiest way to do this is grab one of those side handles of the frame and then just pull the cushion right out. It will have that hard plastic sewn onto the cushion. It is part of the mask, okay? And then you have your elbow piece as well for the mask, which ejects by pressing the sides over there. So now you've completely disassembled your mask. You'd want to do that basically for times in which you're going to do some cleaning. So with the F20 mask, you can pretty much wash everything. Just note that if you have the AirTouch F20, you want to avoid washing this piece. You can wash the frame, the headgear, and the elbow, but you do not want to use moisture to wash the memory foam cushion. You instead want to use wipes to clean this. If you have the silicone version, AirFit F20, feel free to wash that with your equipment. So you're ready to assemble your mask back together again. So you can start with the headgear. So you can grab one part of the top strap and you'll know it's the top because it's wider on the top of the headgear and you want to grab these, okay? And when you're facing the back of the headgear, the ResMed brand logo is legible, it's upright. So you're gonna basically loop that from the inside of the frame to the outside and then tape the Velcro and then repeat that process on the other side over there. And now you got your headgear on. It can even attach to the sides over here, either with the magnetic clips or the mechanical clips. And then the cushion piece, you're just going to have it centered with the frame and you push it in. You'll hear a little clicking noise when it's sealed there properly. And then the elbow piece just snaps right into the middle. And there you go. You have now assembled your F20. We hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like and subscribe button and hit the comment below for any suggestions in the future.